Hi, this is Jake with D-Max Store, and this is Josh with Kryptonite Products.
Thanks, and today we brought in our new 2020 Duramax. I have the Fleece all lights on module installed. This thing is badass. Jake's gonna give you a rundown on this thing.
So this Fleece all light on mod is going to allow you to have your high beams, low beams, and fog lights on simultaneously to give you the maximum light output on the road. From the factory, you can't have the high beams and fog lights on at the same time, so this will allow you to have all lights on at the same time.